Hi guys, this is the Tino Toddy show.
Hi guys. I guess we both have hiccups. So anyways, we're sitting in our home just like you probably are. And why are we sitting at our homes, all of us in the world?
Coronavirus and we can't go outside. Yeah.
All right. So yeah, we can go outside. We just can't go to stores. We have to keep our social distancing. Well, we're kind of close. But anyways, so today I figure I'm going to ask Tino some questions, see if he knows a little bit about Toddy. And then he's going to ask me some questions and so forth, just like everyone's doing on Facebook. So here goes. All right, ready, Tino?
Yeah.
What is my favorite food?
Mommy's meatballs.
Ding, 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 ding. That's correct. Okay, number 2 question. What is Toddy's favorite football team?
That's easy. Let's go, Bills.
It's go Bills. Okay, number 3. I guess this was a bad timing to do a video, but hey, we'll call this video Hiccup time. All right. Hiccup. Hiccup. Okay.
Hiccup time.
Number 3. What is, even though we don't watch it that much, what is Toddy's favorite WWE wrestler? Dun dun dun. Uh-oh.
I forgot that.
Come on, think. I'll give you a word that rhymes with his first name. Handy. Do you know it?
No.
And then and then I'll give you a word that rhymes with his last name, all right?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Sortin.
Thornton.
Sortin. Handy Sortin. My gosh, he doesn't get it. Did you forget?
No. Oh, yeah.
Randy
Orton.
Orton. All right. Number 4. Outside of karate, what was the other sport that Toddy was really good at?
Soccer?
Soccer? Okay, number 5.
That's a ding ding. Ding
Ding, 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 ding,
ding.
Number 5. Are you ready? 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 Okay. Number 5. What is Are you done? Are you ready for some more questions?
Yeah.
Okay. What is Toddy's
What?
favorite color?
Blue?
Ding 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 ding. Okay, now it's Tino's turn. Ready and go.
Toddy.
Yes?
What's my favorite animal?
Your favorite animal? Oh man. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Let me think, because you have a couple. I want to say a snake.
Uh-huh. Ding 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 ding
Ding,
ding
ding, 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 ding,
ding
ding,
ding ding ding.
Okay.
What's my favorite monster?
What's your favorite monster?
Want me to give you a hint?
Yeah.
What's my favorite? Oh,
You don't even know.
it starts with the F.
It starts with an F. I'm just going to go on a limb here and say Nightmare Freddy.
It's not an animatronic.
Oh. Did you just say animatronics?
Yeah.
Yes. Can I have another hint?
Or do you want me to tell you?
I don't want you to tell me. I want you to tell me another hint.
It's kind of like...
He just went like this. Did anyone else get that? I want to say you almost said pterodactyl, but that's a dinosaur, not a monster.
No, I didn't tell you.
Oh, I got it, ladies and gentlemen. I have it. I have it. Ding, 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 ding. Ready?
What?
It is Godzilla. No?
No.
What is it? I give up.
It's a monster, but it looks like a pterodactyl. Like this, like when that, like that.
What movie? What?
It's just like that dragon inside Godzilla trying to get that moth.
All right, give me the name of the monster. Go ahead. Let everyone know the monster's name as you hiccup.
I don't know the monster's name.
Oh my god. Is it from Godzilla the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, the three-headed one?
No.
Mothra?
No.
Oh, the one that gets stabbed in the right here at the end of the movie and then lives? He's perplexed. Okay, we're going to move on. Number 3?
What's my favorite movie?
What's his favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? I'm gonna go. I know.
What?
If I could guess, I know you haven't watched it in a while, but I'm gonna say Nightmare Before Christmas is one of your favorites.
Close.
No.
It's close.
It's close to that.
It's close.
Frankenweenie?
No. It's not kind of Christmas. Christmas.
Do, 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 do.
Doo-doo.
So it's close to Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah.
Monsters, Inc.?
Doesn't have Christmas in it.
Oh, wait. It's a Christmas movie?
Yeah. A little bit of Christmas.
What else?
I see a lot of Christmas.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
Yep. Ding, 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 ding.
It's that close to Nightmare Before Christmas. Or is it just because you say Christmas?
Christmas.
It's Christmas. All right, go. Number 4.
What's my favorite story?
What's your favorite story?
Yeah.
Huh, what is your favorite story?
It looks like you have pokies.
All right, favorite story, like favorite book?
Yeah.
Your favorite book. Oh. What's it called? The Giant Caterpillar?
No.
The? You can just give it to me.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
That's what I was referring to. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
I knew that. Okay, I knew that, everyone. I promise I knew that. All right.
You're shy.
Okay, go. Thanks for giving it to me. Number 5, I think. We'll find out how big of dorks we are after we record this and post it on Facebook to everyone. But still, please subscribe and like and comment.
Yeah. Hello.
And you can go ahead and talk about Tino's hiccups. All right, one more. Come on.
What my favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Wait, did I ask that?
You just
Did I ask that before?
You did not ask that. And I'm gonna guess orange, and maybe
I said, what's my favorite color?
color.
Color.
Yeah,
Not
I said.
color.
Oh, then I say orange.
Good.
Okay, so this hiccup video is all finished. We should have just kept on hiccuping the video the whole time that we were doing this. All right, so everyone have a great day, and that's it. That's a wrap. Subscribe, yes.
You already said that.
Yep. All right. All right. Peace. Enjoy. And hiccup later.